Here it is a diagram of the rules of making a good flowchart. Read it for yourself. I am going to explain them directly. Number 1. Start with verb plus ing. You have to always start, or you can always start with a verb adding ing to that verb. See here the text. Public universities offer a wide range of subjects. This is the verb. So I have to start, or I can start with this verb offering, and I have added ing with this verb, and that is offering a wide range of subjects. I can also make this answer in one alternative way, that is public universities offering a wide range of subjects. Number 2, start with V3, that means past participle form of the verb. See the text. Tereshkova orbited the Earth 48 times and spent 3 days in space. So this is a verb, and it is past indefinite tense, and this is spent. This is also past indefinite tense. I have written the answer in this way: orbited the Earth 48 times. Don't write orbiting, because the action is in past tense. That's why we are using past participle tense here. And spent 3 days in space, not spending, because the action is done in the past. Here is a note. Which uh, which one you should follow? Should you should add ing, or you should use past participle form of the verb? Here is a tips for you. If the text is written in present or future tense, then use verb ing. For example, see here, peace movement is a social movement that seeks to achieve ideals such as the ending of a particular war, minimize interhuman violence. The question is, make a flowchart showing the objectives of a peace movement. See here, the text is about universal fact. It indicates the activities of present tense. That's why I have added ing to the verb end. That means ending of a particular war. And here the verb minimize, and here I have added ing, minimizing interhuman violence. Note 2. If the text is written in past tense, then use V3. See the text. Tereshkova orbited the Earth 48 times and spent 3 days in space. I have already mentioned it. So as the action was taken place in the past, I have used here orbited and spent, past participle. Number 3. Use being in place of am, is, are, was, were. If you find am, is, or was, were, don't use these auxiliary verb. Use being in spite of this auxiliary verb. See the example. Library, laboratory, internet, research facilities are much better there than anywhere else in the country. Here are. So we shall not use are in our answer. We have to use being. See here being, library, laboratory, internet, research facilities being much better in public universities. Rule number 4. Use having in place of have, has, had. If you find have, has, had, don't use have, has, had in your flowchart. Use having in spite of have or has or had. See the example, see the text. In Bangladesh, folk music has great variety. Our answer will be, in Bangladesh, folk music having great variety, or only having great variety. See number 5. Avoid using the. Don't use the at the beginning of your answer, but you can use a or an. See the text. The legal age of marriage for girls in Bangladesh is 18. Here we shall find two rules. One is the. See the answer. I have dropped the. So the answer is only legal age of marriage for girls in Bangladesh, and there is it has been being 18. if the comes in the middle, we must keep it. So remember that don't drop all the does in the text. If the comes in the middle of the text, don't drop them. See here, Kraftwerk reflects the inclusive nature of folk imagination. So our answer here can be reflecting the inclusive nature of folk imagination. So I have kept here the as it is in the middle. Number 6. Keeping A or N text. Mr. Kabir is an intelligent writer. He is a good painter also. Our answer is like this. An intelligent writer. See here I have kept here N, and in point number 2, a good writer. There is a, I have written here A. Number 7. For does not, do not, did not, use only not. Don't write this word again. See the text. A Kraftwerk does not usually bear the signature of its maker. So answer is not bearing the signature of its maker. I have omitted does, do or did. Number 8. Don't use pronominal subject. That means if you find these subject at the beginning of your sentence, don't use them. See the text. He was credited with many miracles. Your answer will be only credited with many miracles. Don't write he. Number 9. Noun adjective, noun as subject. See the text. Ghazipir was a Muslim saint. So, Ghazipir is a noun. I have kept it, and was I made was. I have used was as being. See, Ghazipir being a Muslim saint. So this was the lesson or rules or guides to write a good flowchart. Here is a homework for you. You solve this problem, write a good flowchart, and show this flowchart, this homework to your subject teacher. Thank you.